Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we are going to make a snowflake and I'll show you my example. Okay, in your kit you're going to find blue construction paper and blue yarn. You're going to need scissors, which most people have at home. Okay, go ahead and take one corner and you're going to fold it across so it aligns with the edge. Very important. Go ahead and do that. And then you're going to cut across here. But to make it really easy for yourself, go ahead and fold that as well. Once you've folded that, you'll have this crease right across. And you're going to cut along that crease. You're not going to need that end of the paper. So go ahead and cut that off. Perfect. Now what do you have? You have a square. Perfect. Now go ahead and fold that back. And now we're going to fold one end to the other end. So fold it over perfectly like that. Align the edges again. Excellent. So now we have this big old triangle. And we're going to take both of these edges and we're going to bring them to the center. So we'll bring the first one to the center. And we're going to fold. So go ahead and do that. We're going to take the other side. And we're actually going to go over and align it just like that. So fold it over and align it with the edge. And we are going to cut those ends off. So go ahead and cut straight through that. Push this to the edge. Now I want you to cut out your little design on your snowflake. So you can cut out from this side, you can cut out from the bottom, you can cut out from this side. Go ahead and do that. And take your time too to design it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, once you're done cutting out your design, go ahead and unfold. So this is the fun part. You're going to see what your design looks like on your snowflake. So here is my design. Not so bad. The fun part is that all of our snowflakes are going to look different, and that's okay. You want that. And you can make as many designs as you'd like. Now the last part is you're going to tie your ribbon at the top, or yarn. You're going to tie your yarn. That way you can hang your snowflake. You can hang it in the kitchen, maybe you can hang it in the living room or your bedroom, or you can give it to someone. Maybe grandma, maybe a sister or brother, or mom or dad. But now you have your snowflake and it's ready to be hung. So thank you so much for making a snowflake with me. Enjoy and make as many as you'd like, even with white paper or other colors. Did you know a snowflake is formed when the temperature drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit and the water vapor in the cloud crystallizes into ice? But as a snowflake makes its way through the sky, the different conditions it encounters affect its growth. Dirt or dust particles can cause the pattern to alter, as can temperature changes and the amount of vapor in the air.